Welcome dear students in pharmaceutics first practical session. Myself Mrs. Darshana Sandeep Shinde. Today we deals with the experiment number 21. Title of our today's experiment is to prepare, evaluate and submit 10 ml of compound benzoin tincture IP. It is also known as Fryer's balsam. We prepared this by using maceration method. Learning outcomes of our today's session. After watching this video, students are able to develop intellectual skills such as to understand the use of the alcohol for extraction, to develop the motor skill for setting an extraction experiment. Then we see the some prior concepts like extraction procedure for the organized and unorganized drug, and some new concepts like source. What is it? Benzoin is a balsamic resin obtained from the Styrax benzoin, known in the commerce as a Sumatra benzoin, or from Styrax tonkinines, known in a commerce as a Siam benzoin, which is from the Styraceae family. We should know the source of our resin or benzoin. Benzoin source may be from the Sumatra benzoin or from the Siam benzoin. Then we should know the concept of the protective. Protective means these are the agent which protect or isolate exposed skin or other membrane from the harmful or annoying stimulant. Annoying stimulant like UV light, heat and toxics. The substance which provide from all that is known as the protective. That means protected from the UV light, heat, toxins from our skin, our mucous membrane or outer part. It is known as the protective. Then we see the introduction to the tinctures. Tinctures, according to the Pharmacopoeia of India, are defined as alcoholic or hydroalcoholic solutions usually containing in a comparatively dilute proportions the active principles of vegetable or animal drugs. They contain the alcoholic and hydroalcoholics mostly as a vehicle. Thus, the solution of a chemical substances are not included in the Indian Pharmacopoeia definition of the tinctures. However, in the USP, United States Pharmacopoeia, solutions of chemical substances are included under the tinctures. In India, only the drugs from the natural source, that is from vegetable and animal source, are included under the tinctures, but according to the USP, chemical substances are also used or also included under the tincture. Example of it: strong weak iodine solution IP, iodine tincture USP. Then application of the tinctures. Applications are divided into the two purposes: for internal use and for as a flavoring agents. For internal use, different types of tinctures are used. Cardiotonics, in the category of cardiotonics, Digitalis tincture. Anticholinergic category, belladonna tincture. For a sympathomimetic, Datura tincture, and emetic as a Ipecacuanha tincture. Then as a flavoring agent, tinctures, example is orange tincture. That means tinctures are used for the medicinal use and the flavoring use. Then we see the benefits of the tincture. Tinctures are very stable preparations and can be stored for longer period without loss of the potency, decomposition and degradation. Though they contain the maximum amount of alcohol, they have the potency. They do not decompose and they do not cause degradation also. Then there we see the reasons for fall in the popularity of the tincture. Why there is a fall in the popularity of the tincture? Increase the use of the pure drug isolated from animals, plants or prepared by synthetic processes. However, tinctures are still in use where comparatively low potency and large doses are recommended. So the popularity of the tincture decreases. Then we see the production. Production can be done. Tinctures are prepared by maceration, percolation or other suitable validated method using the alcohol of suitable concentration. Tinctures may also be obtained by dissolving or diluting extract in alcohol of a suitable concentration. Then we see the first method, that is production by the percolation. It is also known as the process P. If necessary, reduce the matter to be extracted of the suitable size. Mix thoroughly with the portion of the prescribed extraction solvent and allow to stand for an appropriate time. Transfer to a percolator and allow the percolate to flow slowly, making sure that matter to be extracted is always covered with the remaining extract solvent. The residue may be present out and or residue may be pressed out and the express fluid combined with the percolate. This is the percolation process. In this way we got the tinctures. Then the next method is the production by the maceration, or this method is also known as the process M. Unless otherwise prescribed, reduce the matter to be extracted to the piece of the suitable size. That means we can reduce our drug size. Mix thoroughly with the prescribed extraction solvent. Choose a proper solvent and allow to stand in a closed container for an appropriate time. Then the residue is separated from the extraction solvent. If necessary, press it out. In the latter case, two liquids obtained are combined. That means first without press and after pressing the mark, combine both the liquids. This is the maceration process. Then the next is the production from the extract. In this, tincture is prepared by dissolving and diluting an extract using alcohol of appropriate concentration. By the extracts we can also prepare the tinctures. Then we see the evaluation test. First is the organoleptic characters. In this test we can evaluate for the smell, taste, clarity on standing. Then the second test is the relative density, where whenever applicable this can be measured. Then dry residue or total solid content. This test can be performed by, in a flat bottom dish, introduce 2 gram of or 2 ml of tincture, evaporate to the dryness on a water bath and dry in an oven to 100 degrees to 105 degrees Celsius for 3 hours. Allow to cool in a desiccator over the diphosphorus pentoxide R and weighted. Calculate the result as a mass percentage or in a grams per liter. In this way, total solid content can be carried out. Then alcohol content. It includes the determination of ethanol, methanol or true propanol content. That is what content of menstruum is calculated in this. Then active drug content. These are the evaluation tests. Then we see the storage. Tinctures in store in a cool and dark place in a tightly closed container. The label should be stated that the vegetable or animal matter used, whether vegetable matter used or whether animal matter used. Where applicable, the fresh vegetable or animal matter was used. The concentration of alcohol used for the preparation should be mentioned on the label. The concentration of alcohol in the final tincture. Then content of active principle, dose, all these are mentioned on the label. Now we see the apparatus required for today's experiment. Electronic digital weighing balance, measuring cylinder, well stoppered wide mouth bottle, filtration unit, whether glass or plastic funnel, filter paper, cloth piece for the pacing the mark, and porcelain dish for evaporation of the menstruum. Then we see the formulation table. Formulation table contains the ingredient, quantity given, quantity taken and use of the ingredient. Ingredients required for today's experiment are benzoin crushed, prepared storax, balsam of tolu, aloe and alcohol 90%, quantity sufficient for 1000 ml. This is the quantity given which is given for the 1000 ml, but we have to prepare only the 10. For that purpose we calculate the factor. Factor can be calculated by quantity required upon quantity given. Our quantity required is 10 and quantity given is 100. So our factor is 0.01. By this factor we can multiply the quantity given, we ultimately get the quantity taken. Benzoin crushed used as a protective. Prepared storax is used as a flavoring agent. Balsam of Tolu used as a protective. Aloe is also function here as a protective. Alcohol 90% is used as a solvent or a vehicle. Then we go through the stepwise procedure. Benzoin is an unorganized drug and its extraction is carried out by the maceration with adjustment. Resins are practically insoluble in the water. Benzoin is a resin which is insoluble in the water. Therefore, alcohol is used for the extraction. Here we use the alcohol as a menstruum. Weight the calculated amount of the benzoin, prepared storax and balsam of Tolu and aloe. Pulverize all the weighted solid ingredients. That means pulverize means we have to reduce their size into the fine one. Then transfer all the powder ingredients into the closed vessel. Macerate it with the 8 ml of alcohol in a closed vessel for not less than 2 days with the occasional shaking. Then filter and pass the sufficient alcohol through filter to produce the required volume. Our preparation's alcohol content is almost 70 to 77% volume by volume. Total solid content is not less than 13.5%. Category is a protective. Then we move towards the laboratory for actual practical session.
Welcome students in Pharmaceutics First Laboratory. Today we teach with the experiment number 20. Title of our today's experiment is to prepare, evaluate and submit 10 ml of compound benzoin tincture. Today we will prepare only the 10 ml of tincture. Let's see the apparatus required and chemicals required for today's experiment. We have required benzoin crush. We already measured that. This is prepared storax. We also measured that. Then balsam of Tolu and this is the aloe. This is the aloe. We can already measure all that things. And this is our wide mouth bottle in which we prepare the solution, measuring cylinder, and to pulverize, that means to mix all the ingredients, solid ingredients, we have required mortar and pestle. First let's start the preparation. First of all, we take all our solid preparation, that is aloe extract, and this is the benzoin crush. We mix both the preparations or both the solid ingredients and reduce their size to get easy or to get proper maceration process. If in the maceration process solids are large size, then it will not be a proper one process, so that pulverize all the ingredients, solid ingredient. Let's see, our ingredient will be the fine one. Then we pour this solid ingredient into the convert all the solid content into the wide mouth bottle. Today we use the alcohol, 90% of alcohol as a menstruum. Menstruum is very important. While selecting a menstruum, we have to know the product, or we have to know the which type of product or which type of extract we will do. For that, today we prepare the tincture. For that purpose, we require alcohol, 90% alcohol we use. Then we add the solid ingredients. We add the prepared storax into that. Then we add the balsam of Tolu. We require 0.25 ml balsam of Tolu. We add the balsam of Tolu. We add almost 8 ml of alcohol. Not exactly, but almost 8 ml of alcohol into it. Mix it. And we close the vessel properly and set aside this vessel for 2 successive days. Meanwhile, between that we shake our preparation or this maceration solution, and after 2 days we will filter and add the alcohol. We will see in after 2 days. Welcome student, after 2 days, this is our compound benzene tincture. We kept it for the 2 days for the maceration, and then we meanwhile we stir it and we filter it now, so that we can add little bit of alcohol into it. Stir occasionally, and we stir occasionally between 2 days. Stir it now and then filter it. Pour more some alcohol into it to make the volume and to make our full extract of maceration. Then we get our filtrate. Then we see the observation and evaluation test of it. See the color of our liquid is brown color. It is a viscous liquid one, somewhat it is viscous. Then it is a pleasant odor. It has a pleasant odor, though it contains the benzoin, balsam of toluene, and its total solid content is not more than 13.5. Then we transfer this into the amber color bottle. Then we see the labeling and observation table in the next session.
After goes through the stepwise procedure into the laboratory, we move toward the observation and evaluation table. Our observation and evaluation table contain name of the preparation, taste, specification and observation. Name of our preparation is compound benzoin tincture IP. Taste, first test is description, its color is brownish color, a viscous liquid, we confirm that test. Odor is a pleasant, though it contained balsams, it has a and benzoin, it has a pleasant odor, we confirm that test. And its solid content not more than 13.5%. In this way we confirm all the evaluation test. Then we move toward the labeling formulation. Labeling of the formulation can be done in such a manner. First of all, at the top of the label we should mention the name of the preparation, that is compound benzoin tincture IP. Then right hand side its volume should be mentioned, that is 10 ml, we mention that. Then mention each ml content or each 10 ml content. Here we mention each 10 ml content. All the ingredients and its concentration should be mentioned on the label. Then for this tincture we have to mention whether which type of benzoin we use for the formulation. Here we use the Sumatra benzoin, we mention that. And in the tincture we should also mention the alcohol content. We should here mention the alcohol content is 70 to 77% volume by volume, we mention on the label. Then category of the preparation is the protective, total solid content not less than 13.5%. Storage, store in a cool and the dark place in a tightly closed container. Then the other manufacturing details such as the manufacturing license number, manufacturing batch number, manufacturing date, expiry date and price of our preparation. At the bottom we should mention the name and address of the manufacturer. In this way labeling can be done. Then we move toward the next, that is result. Result should be written as, here we prepare the 10 ml. So 10 ml of compound benzoin tincture IP is submitted in a well closed container protected from the light with the neat label. Then we move toward the question answer session. Then we move toward the question answer session. First question is, state the synonym of compound benzoin tincture. Answer is, it consists of a synonym of compound benzoin tincture is Friar's balsam. Then the next question is, define the category of compound benzoin tincture. The category of compound benzoin tincture is the protective. Then the third question, state the active constituents of the compound benzoin tincture. Answer is, it contains the benzoin crush, prepared storax, balsam of Tolu and aloe. These are the active constituents of the benzoin. Amongst that, benzoin and prepared storax are the main the content or ingredient of this tincture. Then the next question is, state the three difference between the maceration of the organized and unorganized drug. Here is the difference. Organized drug strain off a liquid and press the mark. For the unorganized drug, we decant the liquid, mark is not pressed. For organized drug along with the whole menstruum is used in the maceration process. In the unorganized drug along with the 4/5 of the menstruum is used for the maceration process. For the organized drug, the period for maceration is almost 7 days. For unorganized drug, the period of maceration is 2 to 7 days. For organized drug, filtration is not adjusted to the volume, and for the unorganized drug maceration, filtrate is adjusted to make up the final volume. Example of the organized drug maceration is the tincture made by process of tincture of orange, tincture of lemon, tincture of capsicum. Unorganized drugs example are by this way, by the maceration we can made a different unorganized drugs tincture. These are by example tincture of Tolu, tincture of myrrh, tincture of benzoin, etc. Then the next question is, write the difference between batch and the continuous extraction processes. Here is the difference. Batch process and continuous process. Batch process refers a process that involves sequence of the steps followed in the specific order. Continuous process refers to the flow of a single unit of a product between every step of the process without any break in time, substance or extent. Then in a batch process is a scheduling is done to maintain the timing between the move to the earth. In a continuous process, each machine performs a certain processes function and they operate in a steady state. Batch processes, low cost equipments are required. In a continuous processes, high cost equipment are required. Batch process, product lifespan short, that is 1 to 2 years. If a products are made under the continuous process, product lifespan longer than the batch processes. Thank you very much for attending my practical session.